So let us look at the chapter types of words. In this unit, we will try to look at some of the terms related to vocabulary. Look at the text, page number 50. English vocabulary is rich in both its breadth and diversity. As a dominant international language, new words from languages the world over are constantly added to English. A basic knowledge of the various categories of words and their similarities, differences, and other features will help you in building better and more powerful communicative skills in English. In this unit, let us look at a few elements of English vocabulary like synonyms, antonyms, homophones, eponyms, and acronyms. So, my dear students, we will discuss some of the terms related to vocabulary in this lesson. As you are aware, it's very important for us to enrich our vocabulary to have mastery of the language. If you want to have a good command over English, you should try to enrich your vocabulary. And there are different ways that you can do. Sometimes you have words with similar meanings. We call it synonyms. You should, when you learn a new word, you should try to learn the synonyms of that word. And also sometimes it will have a opposite meaning. We call it antonyms. So you should learn all these things: synonyms, antonyms, homonyms. We'll look at this. There are words which look similar in spelling but have different meanings. And sometimes homophones, same pronunciation but different spelling and different meanings. And all these things we need to know. And let us look at those points in detail. Look at the first one is synonyms. What do you mean by synonyms? Synonyms are words that are similar in meaning. A list of words and their synonyms are given in the table below. First one is synonyms. We know that synonyms are words that are similar in meaning. Okay. For example, we have number of examples given here. For example, number one, amazing. Synonyms: incredible, fantastic, astonishing. Then breathtaking. That is, synonyms are spectacular, magnificent, wonderful. So the advantage is this: if you have an idea about different synonyms of a word, you can replace that word, and that will uh, make your language beautiful. Look at this: definite, certain, positive, obvious, eager, keen, enthusiastic, interested, funny, humorous, amusing, comical, great, noteworthy, distinguished, remarkable, hide, conceal, clock, screen, keep, retain, withhold, maintain, quiet, still, mute, triangle, scared, alarmed, terrified, panicked, wrong, inaccurate, mistaken, erroneous, show, display, reveal, manifest, neat, clean, orderly, tidy, outstanding, excellent, superb, exceptional, daring, bold, brave, adventurous, patient, enduring, persistent, tolerant, interest, attention, engrossment, concern, awful, terrible, abominable, dreadful, beautiful, gorgeous, ravishing, dazzling, exquisite, stunning, break, rupture, fracture, shatter, calm, serene, peace, triangle, cut, chop, slash, slit. So look at this. These are some of the examples given here. We have when you read, when you learn a new word, you should try to find out the synonyms of that word as well. You have a thesaurus that will help you to identify different similar words with similar meanings. Okay, just like a dictionary, you have a thesaurus that will give you different uh, words. I mean, synonyms of a word. Have you seen any thesaurus? I think you should refer to a thesaurus, or nowadays it's possible for you to type the word in the Google and try to get different synonyms of that word. It's always good if you know different words with slightly same meaning. So that will help you to use your language in a better manner. So these are examples. Now you can also find out some of the verbs and their synonyms. Whenever you come across a new word, try to learn the synonyms as well. That's the way you can enrich your vocabulary. Now take a look at the antonyms. Antonyms are words that are opposite in meaning. A list of words and their antonyms are given below. Antonyms means opposite, words with opposite meaning. Okay. Now you have words like rapidly, antonyms sluggishly, slowly, or drowsily. Often, rarely, seldom, infrequently. Humility, pride, arrogance, vanity. Hazy, clear, sunny, clean. Escalate, lower, decrease, diminish. Active, inactive, lazy, or lethargic. These are all antonyms of the word active. Wise, opposite foolish or silly or naive. Humble, look at this opposite arrogant, egotistical or bold. Blunt, opposite sharp, subtle or tactful. Famous, unknown, obscure or notorious. Origin, that is destination, end or conclusion. Proof, opposite deny, disprove, confute. Applaud, opposite insult, shame or sarcasm. Proclaim, opposite conceal, hide or retreat. Sorry, retract. Then at affection, opposite dislike, contempt, hate. Luminous, dark, gloomy, dull. Brave, opposite shy, afraid, timid. Artificial, opposite natural, real or original. Relinquish, opposite hold, retain, acquire. Comfort, opposite agony, distress or discomfort. These are all antonyms. So we should also try to learn antonyms as well. So you have a task here. Using a thesaurus, find a synonym and antonym for the following words. This is something that you should do as a homework. Okay.